How can you buy a house? Well, I've got the answer for you here today in this video, so make sure to stay tuned till the end. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, if you're in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, or Florida to purchase your new home, I would love to help you. My team would be delighted and appreciative of the opportunity to serve you through this exciting time. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. If you're new to the channel, thank you and welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, hit the like button if you're enjoying the content, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified every time I drop a new video, which is every week. How do you buy a house? Well, you have to start somewhere, and the first place you're going to start is decide what loan company that you want to work with. Now, if you're in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, or Florida, then I would love to help you. My team would love to help you, and you would start with us. But if you're not in one of those states, or maybe you have someone who's a close friend or relative that's a loan officer, then you would want to start with them. And what you want to do is start with the loan application. What does that look like? That's really scary to a lot of people. Well, I actually have another video that you can check out, is all about the loan application, tips and tricks and things like that. And I've also got a course you can check out as well if you want more information. But that loan application, what is it basically? Name, birthday, social, home address for 2 years, employment for 2 years, how much do you make, broken down into hourly, salary, base, bonus, commission, that kind of stuff. How much money do you have in the bank? Do you have retirement? Do you have 401k? Things like that. And then what do you think you want to spend on a house, and how much do you think you want to borrow? That is basically, in a nutshell, the loan application. Now, once you complete that loan application, it is important that you make sure to talk to your loan officer about that loan application and have them go through all those parts with you. Because the way the question is asked versus the way that you answer it from your knowledge and what you think can be very different from the way that you need the question answered from a loan perspective to get your loan approved. And that's where that additional conversation about the application with the loan officer really comes in handy. Let me give you an example of that. Mr. Joe Borrower, I see that you put $5,000 a month under base income. Let's talk about your income for a minute. Are you hourly, salary, base, bonus, commission, or combination? Are you day rate? Do you get overtime? And then that leads to other discussions so that we can figure out how to calculate that income. Because if that application is wrong, that approval is wrong, and that is not what you want to happen to you. So we've got the loan application, we've had the phone consult, which is so important, and then the loan officer is going to request documents from you. You want to be fast, accurate, and provide everything they ask for. Once they get those documents and review them, then they should be able to issue a solid pre-approval, so then you can go out and shop for that perfect home. Now, before you shop for the home, before you find the realtor, you really need to go through this process so that you can have that smooth and on-time closing. The thing is, it's not really hard to buy a house. I mean, if the average credit score is 680 to 700, and the fact that in some rare instances you can have a 580, typically it's more like a 620 number that's looked for, but even the 620 is pretty well below average. And maybe you've only been on your job a year, but you're in the same industry, the same field, or maybe you went to school for your job, and so you've not been there a year and just a few months. That's not another big, huge hurdle to get past. Do you pay your rent on time? Yes, you need to pay that rent. Have you saved a little bit of money? Yes, that's important. You don't have to save tens of hundreds of thousands of dollars, but you have to show that responsibility and that you can save a little bit and that you can prepare for that home ownership. So is it hard to buy a house? It's really, really not when you think about all that criteria and that you don't need 20% down. And how do you buy that house? Well, you buy it with these easy steps provided in today's video. I'm going to do a quick little plug because I built a first-time home buyers massive mortgage education course that I usually charge $597 for, and I'm going to drop a link below for all of you to purchase it at $97. Words can't express. It's almost like growing a baby and having a baby. This course has been so much fun, and so much passion and so much dedication has gone into this to not only help you get a great loan approval, a great pre-approval, but also help you with a smooth and on-time closing. So enough of that. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, if you're in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, or Florida to purchase your new home, I would love to help you. My team would be delighted and appreciative of the opportunity to serve you through this exciting time. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email.